What's up, everybody? For today we're gonna dig into the C10 a little bit more. Let me turn this thing around. The carpet in here is not too great, so we're going to actually I've got one ordered due to COVID and all that good stuff. It's a little delayed, so I'm not sure what's taking so long, but we're gonna yank this up. Floorboards don't look too bad. We're gonna yank this up and then lay down some Dynamat or a version of that, and you know, quiet this thing down a little bit, insulate it. So let's get this party started. Alright, so as you pull your bolts out, make sure that you put them in your Harbor Freight magnet tray. That's my tech tip of the day.
Oh, this side's nasty. Alright, got the front ones out. That'll do it. Extension. So here's what we're left with. It's not horrible, but you know, let's get this stuff pulled out of here and we'll clean this bad boy up. I'm going to use the old carpet as a little tray to put all this crap in, since it's not coming back. So from here, let's get rid of all this crap. Hoping I can find some money. Oh shoot, look at this. 62 cents. That's funny, that's the year of the 62 Mercury. That's a good luck charm. I'm gonna hold on to that. So this side is not too bad. Let's see. You guys are the first to see what's going on here. Looks like a little bit of surface rust, which is normal, but I'm going to clean that up, prime it up a little bit, sand it down. Yeah, that's what I'll do. We'll sand that down, prime it, and we'll be good to go. Let's get this mess out of here. So like I said, not too bad. I mean, this floor in here looks super good. The cab's good. Just a little bit of a surface rust around here, but I think that's probably was coming from, it looks like it was dripping, probably from, I don't know what was going on up here at some point. Maybe a heater core, I don't know what it was, but anyway, it looks like it's dripping and it just kind of puddled right here and sat for a while. So, yeah, dude, I'm stoked, man. This should be an easy cleanup. Got my little broom from the dollar store that handle broke off. Still using it. Look at that. Oh, this paint. This is Spanish. It's a Spanish gold. That was the name of the paint. I would love for the whole truck to be that color. But we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. Probably not a good idea to breathe this stuff. So make sure you wear a mask. Make sure you wear a mask. Hold up, hold up. We found another quarter. Dude. And I did get a Happy Meal today. Okay, now that we got everything out, took all the seat belt out, seat belts out. This thing is looking pretty damn good. I'm super stoked, man. Super healthy in here. I'm gonna hit that side with a little bit of a rust inhibitor paint, which should be fine, and then we're gonna start laying down the Dynamat. Alright peeps, so now for the fun part. So I said we're using boom mat, but it's a different version of it. It's called Kilmat. It's probably not as, obviously not as thick as the boom mat, but you know, for what I'm doing, just enough to keep a little heat out and keep it a little quieter. So they just come in these size strips here, and super easy to put in. So another good thing about this Kilmat, it's actually manageable and super easy if you open up the door panels. You could put a few sheets of this inside and it would definitely stop that rattle, that tin can rattle that Squarebodies are kind of known for. But might not get to that today, but just a little tech tip. These are easy, already kind of pre-cut. You can slide it, almost slide them in between the glass and stick it to the back side of the door and definitely keep it a little bit quieter. Another project. Alright, so far things are turning out really good. Let me pan around and show where we're at. So this stuff lays down really nice, and I think I might have pronounced it wrong earlier. It looks like it's called Kilmat. I was calling it Kilmat. I like that name a little bit better. But anyway, that was one box, and I think it was, I'll have to get the how many square feet it covered, but so far I haven't even gotten through 3/4 of the box in. Everything's looking pretty good. So I gotta wrap up this side here, and I'm actually gonna take the mat and go all the way up to this line here, just because that vibrates a lot too, kind of loud. But yeah, if you're looking for like a cheap alternative to the boom mat and all this stuff, this is Kilmat, and I'll drop the link in the description below. But yeah, so far so good. Hey guys, well, we're nearly done. I just wanted to show you what came out of here. That is a pile of garbage, the old carpet, and a bunch of other junk foam that was inside of here. But that's it. So for now, since my carpet hasn't arrived, my daughter, Katie, she's crazy. She's helping putting the seat back in.
Get that quarter torque.
Get that quarter torque. So we're just waiting for TMI, who has a carpet kit for this, to send it. So once that's here, we'll pull the seat back out and install the carpet. Alright guys, well that's it for now. God, it sounds totally different in here. Just even in here with no carpet or anything, this Kilmat stuff is pretty easy to install. And I think I highly recommend it. So anyway, that is it for now. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, share. We greatly appreciate it. So we got a couple things coming up next, which is we have a coilover conversion kit from Aldan American, which a good friend of mine and myself will be installing, but that's going to be in the next video. But for now, that's it. Again, I'm sorry, I will leave the product information in the comments below. Again, that's called Kilmat. I actually found it on Amazon, and it was 50 bucks for a box that basically covered the whole thing, but I bought 2 of them just in case. Anyway, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks again. We'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.